everybody, welcome to Let's Play RC, and today I will be showing you guys how to mesh your pinion gears after replacing motors and stuff like that. So let's get into it. So if we haven't met before, my name is Dylan, and on this channel me and my dad repair, upgrade, and play with all things RC, plus so much more. So if you're new around here, consider subscribing. Okay, so gear meshing, you grab a piece of paper about like this, and then you want to stick it right through here in your motor area, right between these two gears, the pinion and the spur, and then you want to roll the pinion gear, and then you want to roll it back up, and if it's at the right adjustment, then it'll just have little ripples like this, but if it's too close, it'll rip, and if it's too far away, nothing will happen. Okay? So that's perfect, just like that. So I hope that helped you guys out. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys later. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification bell as well. That way you guys don't miss a thing. Till next time, get out and play. See you guys later.